Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply make your header sticker or how you can make your header stick in Elementor. So what you want to do is, let's say that I'm going to delete the header I have right now here, and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift L or Command Shift L on my Mac. I will just add a header here. I don't know, this one. Insert, okay. And right when I got it, I'll just move it here. And here we have it, but it's not on the full width, but it doesn't really matter. And what you want to do is, when you're gonna click on your header, go to Advanced, Motion Effects, and you're gonna see like the sticky here. Right now it's sticky on top, but sometimes what can happen is it's going to be sticky on none. And as you can see, it's on top. Then you can also stick it on the bottom if you want to. But yeah, just choose the top, and then you can like have the effects offset to 100. And that's pretty much it. So then you can have like also end trace animation here and play around it if you want. But that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody, and have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.